To apply for NCPEDP-Bajaj Finserv Scholarship Program for students with disabilities 2026-27, these are the following steps to fill the application form. Open the form link by clicking on the link shared with you. The form will open in your browser. Read instructions carefully. At the top of the form, read all instructions slowly before starting. Sign into Google if asked. You may need to sign in with your Google or Gmail account to fill the form. Before you start, please keep these documents ready in scan copy or photo format. Number 1, Aadhaar card. Number 2, disability certificate. Number 3, income certificate. Number 4, ID proof, which can be your voter ID or passport or driving license or Aadhaar card. Number 5, last exam mark sheet. Number 6, birth certificate or school leaving certificate. Number 7, course fee details or prospectus of your college. Number 8, passport size photo if needed. Number 9, signature image. And number 10, 200-word application letter explaining why you need the scholarship. Step-by-step application process includes step number 1, personal details, wherein you are required to fill your full name, father or guardian name, your date of birth, your email ID, your mobile number, any alternate number, permanent address, correspondence address, your mother tongue, your Aadhaar card number, your age, and your gender. Step number 2 is your disability details, wherein you need to select disability category, disability type, and specific disability such as deaf or hard of hearing. Please also fill your disability percentage. Please mention if you use any assistive devices such as hearing aid, cochlear implant, etc. Step 3 will be your education details. Please fill your course name, the year or semester in which you are studying, your college name and address, head of institution name, institution type, college website, last exam passed with the percentage, dropout history if any, scholarship applied for which course, admission applied or not, as well as your course fee amount. Step 4 will be your family income details, wherein you are required to fill your father occupation and income, your mother occupation and income, other income source if any, total family income, number of siblings, any disabled family member, other dependents, and BPL card number if available. In step number 5, you are required to upload all your documents. Please upload all the required documents clearly. Make sure that the file uploaded are correct, the certificates are valid. It is also important that each file is clear and readable. Maximum file size allowed is 10 MB. Upload the correct file in the correct section. Step number 6. Please write an application letter in 200 words on why you need scholarship, your education goals, your financial challenges, and your future plans. Step number 7 is the declaration, wherein you will be uploading your signature and confirm that all information is true and the documents are genuine. Please also fill place and date of filling the application form. In step number 8, please submit the form. After checking all details, click Submit. Please make sure that there are no spelling mistakes. All required fields are filled. Correct documents are uploaded. After submitting, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. This means your form is successfully submitted. If you need any support to fill the application form, please ask your family and friends or teacher to assist you. You may also reach out to us on our helpline number or email us at bfsp.ncpedp@gmail.com for any assistance. Please also note that in case of incomplete form, wrong information, fake and pending documents, your application may be rejected. To know more, please visit our website www.ncpedp.org.